Are you a student, a workman, or a woman? Or maybe you're a mad scientist trying to take over the world? No matter who you are or where you're from, there's one thing you need to have, and that is a side hustle. And not just any side hustle. A side hustle that can pay you hundreds of dollars every single day without a lot of work. Yes, this is possible. And in this video, I'm going to show you one of the best and most profitable side hustles that you can start in 2022 to help you earn more money, to take care of yourself and also your family, and maybe fund that dream of yours to take over the world someday. But seriously though, you need a solid foundation to help you get there. If you want to earn real money online, and that is where this video comes in, just imagine getting home from school or work. You turn on your smartphone and you've already earned an extra $700 online from just a single side hustle. Now, I don't know about you, but that would put a smile on my face. This gig pays a little over $700 per day, which is about $100 an hour, and that is just for starters. No, you don't need a college degree or have expert knowledge to get started here, and you can even do this from home, from anywhere in the world. You get paid straight into your PayPal account or your bank account, as soon as you've earned your first paycheck easy money. Now, depending on your background, $700 a day could be more money than you've ever made in your entire life, or it could be a source of additional income for you, so you can finally buy all those items that have been on your wish list for months, or it could be enough to pay your bills and still have enough left for a fun vacation. And I know you're thinking, well, what is this side hustle? How can I get started and start earning just like this? Well, don't worry, all will soon be revealed. But just before we get started, I want you to hit the like button super hard because it helps me out a lot with this video. And of course, subscribe if you're new here so you won't miss my future videos also. So, what is this side hustle? Well, imagine that a huge corporation wants to carry out a market research to test a new product that they're working on. They want to find out who their ideal customers are, what they want, and what they're interested in. And so they go and form a focus group. They allocate a couple $100,000 for this research and spread out the funds using different websites, like this one right here called Respondent, Respondent.io. And you being really smart, go and sign up on this platform immediately. You're given access to the focus group performed by the big corporation, and you get paid to participate in that research to help the company's business. Here, you can even see a payment from this particular website and how much it paid. They paid about $133 just for participating in a study on their website. So you can see that, of course, this website pays a lot, and you can only make this much money if you are active on your account and participate in as many studies as you can using this strategy. You earn anywhere between $100 all the way up to $700 per hour, depending on how much the focus group test is paying and your field of concentration. That is how this works. And you can see that it is a really simple business model that does not require you to have any kind of skill or expert knowledge to actually get started. And this right here is one of the websites you can actually use to do this. It's called Respondent.io. It actually helps you to get paid to do really simple focus group tests. And down here, you can see exactly how much they are paying depending on your field of concentration. If you're a software developer, you could get paid up to $200 an hour. If you're a business owner, you could get paid up to $500 per hour. And if you are an executive, you get paid up to $700 an hour. Why it's this way is because the more knowledge you have on a subject, the more valuable your input is going to be for a company's research. But if you are simply starting out here, this is the least you'll be getting paid per hour, which is about $100. So don't worry. Even if you are not an executive or a business owner, you can still make a lot of money on this platform, and how it works is pretty simple, as it says. Right here, all you have to do is to come up here. You can click right here, is where it says Researcher Sign Up or Participant Sign Up. Make sure that you click this one that says the Participant Sign Up, and it will take you straight to the sign up page. Immediately, there the algorithm will match you with studies that fit your profile, and then you'll be able to browse those projects to find the ones that you want to actually participate in. As soon as you're done with that, you will get paid instantly to your PayPal account. And of course, you can go ahead and repeat the whole process and continue getting paid every single day just by participating in these focus groups. It even has a referral program where you get paid about $50 for referring people onto their platform. It's definitely a really sweet way to make money passively inside the website without having to even participate in any surveys or any studies, so definitely go ahead and check that out. But another website that you could totally use for this is called recruitandfield.com. You can go ahead and check this one out. It does the exact same thing as Respondent.io, but it is mainly for people living in the United States. As you can see right here, you could also sign up over here, but I think they will prioritize signups that are coming from the US, but pretty much it's the same thing. You can see how many clients they actually have in their portfolio. They have people like Microsoft, Apple, and Google. Down here, really big names. Imagine getting paid by these guys to participate in studies. They can actually help their businesses get better. It's just a really nice side hustle to do. If you do not want to have to spend hours and hours on this, because all it takes to earn $100 with this is simply an hour or two. You don't have to spend the whole day here, and you could be making a reasonable amount of money in a short period of time. You can get started with this one by clicking the participants button. You can come down here and click register as a participant, fill out all the information down here, and then proceed to register your account, so they can verify you and bring you onto their platform. And this is by far one of the highest paying side hustlers that we've talked about on this channel, and also one of the easiest to get into. In fact, when I was doing research for this video, I was actually amazed at how much you could make with this side hustle, considering that you don't even have to have a skill to get into it. So definitely let me know if you will be giving this a try. Let me know in the comment section below. I would really love to know. Thanks for watching this video, and if you learned something here, be sure to hit the like button. Super duper hard is going to tell me that you want me to make more videos like this on my channel, and just so you won't miss them, hit the subscribe button right down below. I will catch you guys in the next video. See you.